Adding keyframes in Alight Motion. It's pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add keyframes in Alight Motion. So for that, as you can see, I'm at the Alight Motion application. I'm going to happen this plus icon, and I'm going to add any of the shape in order to show you how to add keyframes. So here you have to go to this option, which is move and transform, and then you have tuner, add a keyframe. Now by adding a keyframe you can you have saved the location and size, but if you want to change it by overtime, all you want to use the keyframes, you have to move forward in time. However, move your layer in time, and then you can select however you want to change the property to be. Suppose if you want to change the position, you can interchange the position. You can also do the rotation as well, but for rotation you need to create new keyframes, but in our case we just did for the position. Now as you can see, this is how the keyframes will work. So whenever you will play the video, the position from keyframe 1 to keyframe 2 will change that. So